Hey everyone, Model Man Frank here. So I fixed it. This here is the second frame that I had told you about. I transferred everything from the old frame of the aircraft to this frame, and you know, it's a free plane. It looks like it's gonna work. This is a little loose here, but it had all the struts for the aircraft. And as you can see here, the struts are attached. So I was able to glue this one on and put a peg in that one. Also, I noticed that the plane had a smaller prop. So you can see there, 10 by 4. This one doesn't have the decaled windows on the side, which I don't care. As long as it flies, you know. It's a little beat up, but I think it'll do the job, and I can get a couple more flights out of one of these planes for a while. It'll really upset me if this one crashes also. But I don't think that'll happen. I think it'll be a good flight. I've decided I am going to videotape every flight that I make, so I can post it here on YouTube and y'all can enjoy it with me. You know, so I'll make sure to videotape all my flights and any other flights I see at Model Airplane Field. Also, I'm gonna be making a video in the next couple of weeks. It's showing you the club and bringing some more stuff. I have some really great ideas about some things that I haven't seen on the web anybody talk about, and some things that I think are really important that should be talked about. So look forward to seeing that stuff. All right. And again, I'll be still posting my aircraft stuff, all my aviation short videos and things like that. So I appreciate it. Like and share the video, and we'll see you again soon. Model Man Frank out.